Miriam is the first impression superstar because she's the manager of our school clinic. This makes all the patients, when they come, the first see is, oh, your smile. The smile means you give them the very warm greetings, so make the patients calm down from their stress or any pains. Then the next essential work is she can make all the patients arrange in the right room. Like some patients come in families, arrange a big room, and some individuals, one by one, every patient come in order, and every professional follow the system in order. This makes our clinical work very efficient, successful, smooth, welcome, and make the patient feel happy, and make the treatment effective, successful. All the patients said they love our clinic. First impression is very, very important.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Daniel Myberg, Director of Business Development for O2 Micro. O2 Micro has been a supporting member of the Santa Clara community for over 20 years, with generous contributions and support to our community's most cherished nonprofit organizations. With the gracious and generous support of O2 Micro leadership and employees, we continue to support the following incredible organizations: the Mission City Community Fund, the Police Activities League of Santa Clara, Wilcox High School Robotics, the First Robotics Judge Advisors, Wilcox High School Basketball, the Parade of Champions coming on October 1st of this year, the Sean Walsh K-9 Foundation, the Mission College Hispanic STEM Program, and provided critical PPE to Santa Clara first responders. Thank you very much for your consideration, and have a wonderful evening.
It is an honor to recognize and nominate Mrs. Lucky for this award. I am Joe Young, the school principal, but I just want to say that she is truly the one who runs this school. Here are some clips from others with things to share about the wonderful Mrs. Lucky.
Hi, I am Marikar Wan, and I am the attendance clerk here at Hughes Elementary. I work very closely with Miss Lucky, and three things I would say to best describe her would be that she takes initiative, she's welcoming, and she is quite diligent.
Hi, I'm a student from Catherine Hughes, and I'm in 4th grade. And Miss Lucky is super nice and kind.
You know, Mrs. Lucky is a committed and good administrator. We don't know how lucky we are to have her.
Hi, Miss Lucky is a very helpful, caring, troubleshooting person. She's always putting out our fires, and she's a pleasure to work with.
Hi guys, I'm a student in Catherine Hughes, and I want to talk to you about Miss Lucky. She's a school secretary in our office, and if you're ever hurt emotionally or physically, she'll help you a lot. And she's a really nice person, and she'll always help you when you need it.
Hello friends and members of the Silicon Valley Chamber of Commerce. My name is Shantine Koplow. I am the owner and principal attorney of the law offices of Shantine Koplow in Silicon Valley. While my doors are open to everyone, I am extremely passionate about serving persons with marginalized identities, including women, persons of color, our friends in the LGBTQIA+ community, and those persons living with disabilities. While we opened during the pandemic, a difficult time for everyone, we have grown rapidly. Now, this is because folks are always in need of a compassionate, ethical, and client-driven employment attorney, whether it's helping with a wrongful termination, a discrimination case, or help negotiating a better severance so folks can separate amicably and beneficially from their former employer. My law firm is here, and this is the work that we do every single day that makes me so proud. We have helped scores of people obtain successful outcomes, including a major settlement for a disability and race discrimination lawsuit that was recently settled. My success has garnered 30 5-star reviews on Google. I have also been named a super lawyer for the past 2 years and hope to be continually nominated and voted for that. And I'm also very proud to be one of the only Puerto Rican women-owned law firms in all of California. I hope to be considered for the Small Business Award for 2021 as I continue to grow and expand. Thank you.